Hello guys, this is Deboville. Happy weekend. In this video, I'm going to share some prophetic word and some update. So guys, right now silver is pumping. If you have spare money, you can buy silver. You can use ChatGPT to find out where you can buy the real silver or where you can buy silver ETF. Silver is going to do well. This season is for commodity, or you can call this season commodity cycle. So guys, let me share this prophetic word about Crepe by God's blogger boy on X. I was in church, I saw a vision and the word crepe was written on the wall. Then a hand broke the wall and it looks like the inside is a cave. The hand moved inside the cave and brought out gold, but it was not a real gold. It stretched further and got a real gold. So guys, if you believe in this message, pray and conduct your research. Ask God if you should buy Crepe. I believe very soon Crepe will take off beyond our imagination. So guys, if you are based in Nigeria, you can buy gold ETF, silver ETF, and copper ETF on Trove app or Trove platform. You can also use my link in the description to register. If you are based outside Nigeria, you can check platforms where you can buy stocks for ETF. You can also use ChatGPT to research names of gold, silver, and copper ETF. So guys, you can buy GDXJ, Junior Gold Miners ETF Market Vectors. Conduct your research before you buy this. The current price is 144.11 US dollars. You can check out IAUM Gold Trust Micro ETF. The current price is 49.65 US dollars. You can buy GLD ETF Gold Shares SPDR. The current price is 458.08 US dollars. So guys, you can also search for copper CPER. Please conduct your research before you buy this. United States Copper Index 36.51 US dollars is the price. SOPX Global X Copper Miners ETF. The current price is 85.25 US dollars. So guys, conduct your research before you buy any of these ETF I mentioned. Conduct your research before you use Trove app. Sir Chris on X shared this message. A super cycle is coming and it won't be small. It will be heavy, unexpected, and life-changing. In a vision, I saw a coin with less than 100 million market cap explode all the way to 30 billion market cap. These kinds of moves don't happen often, but when they do, they reward those who were early and patient. Keep your eyes on WKC. I saw it moving very heavily even before Crepe. That said, Crepe is solid and strong project. If you are holding tight, this season is not about noise. It's about discernment. As the Lord leads, I will share more insight at the right time. Stay alert, stay disciplined, stay ready. So guys, keep your eyes on the Wikicat coin and Crepe. Very soon these coins will take off beyond your imagination. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching. God bless.